All right, so in this quick video, I will show you how to get rid of this. This is called user account control apparently, but you might know it as annoying notifications that you get when you are trying to install something on Windows. Now, this is one of the first things that I remove when I freshly install new Windows, and let me show you how. I mean, you can see here change when these notifications appear, so you can click on that and get to the same screen as I will show you. But what I do, I just click on OK all the time. Yeah, sure, I agree. Okay, next, next, next. And then I never know when to change it, so I had to search for it. So if you're like me, go down left to the Windows button and type user control, and you will get to this screen. And here you can modify how often this appears. This is default. Actually, you can go even higher. I mean, okay. But for me, it's always I push it all the way down to never notify, because for me it's just annoying. I know it says not recommended, and I mean it's up to you. Correct me if I'm wrong, though. I mean, it doesn't provide much security, right? Because when you want to install something, then just pop up window asking, "Are you sure?" Maybe if you were installing something by misclick, but I've been using this. I've been pushing this down since I don't know, long time ago, and I never had any trouble. So if you are annoyed by this, just do this, never notify, okay, and you are free of these things. Yeah, that's all.